Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today we're going to show you, or I'm going to show you how to make a spreadsheet in Excel. All right, you can make basic spreadsheets to complicated spreadsheets that are calculators like this one you see on the screen here. But today I'm just going to show you the basic layout of Excel, how to make a basic spreadsheet, and you can watch my other tutorials on how to do things that are more complicated. Let's go ahead and get started. So first off, we want to open Excel. I'm using a Mac, but it's going to be very similar on a PC. You open Excel, you go File, New, and they call these spreadsheets workbooks. So you're going to create a new workbook, which is right here. It opened on a different screen, but here it is. Okay. You can also do Open New Template and do something from a template, but we're just going to start from scratch. We've now got our workbook here, our spreadsheet, and I'll just kind of show you around it real quick. Each of these boxes, these are called cells. This is the 2024 version of Microsoft Excel for a Mac. The PC version, again, will be very similar. These are called cells. These are columns up and down, and these are rows. So if you're trying to find some data, each cell will have a column and a data point. So it goes the column first, H, the row second, 20. And that's how you find yourself around Excel. So this is the entire workbook. Down here you have sheets, worksheets. You can have as many worksheets as you'd like for different data sets. All right, so people use these for all sorts of things. I use it mostly for tracking data. So you'll have usually a column header, name, date, costs. I mean, it could be a million things. All right. I like to do my column headers bolded, so I select the entire row and I push Command B for bold or Control B for bold, and then I can type. All right. Put in a date. You can just put whatever data you want to put in here. You can write equations, you can use formulas, you can do a number of things. So this was just a was just a video to show you how the basic layout. Up here you can format your text like any word editor, any text editor. And down here you can change the name of these worksheets by right-clicking and choosing rename, or control-click if you're on a Mac. And you can rename these worksheets, okay? So that's the basic layout of creating a spreadsheet in Excel. What else would you like me to teach you? I've got a whole playlist attached here that you can check out of Excel tutorials. But if there's something specific you want to learn how to do, please leave a comment and I will make a video for it. Have a great day.